PG syllabus is the real multiverse of madness. Yes, for that I have the solution for you. Already one video is out on my channel, that is regarding the past papers available in the form of PDF with the solution. So you can have it on your WhatsApp. For that you can contact me by any of the mode, and for further detail you have to check this video. I will put the link in I button as well as the link in the description of this video. Now without wasting time, let's start with the today's topic, that is what you have to do or things to cover in the last 7 days of NEET PG 2022. First thing is your confidence. वो युद्ध ही क्या जिसमें तुमने खुद ही नहीं लड़ा. Similarly, confidence is the main thing which you need to have, as you need the complete focus on your preparation rather than get scared with the huge madness of the syllabus of NEET PG. The thing you need to cover is the time factor. As I have already told you, all you need to know is you have to study minimum 15 hours a day, and you do not need to skip your sleep for the cover and for the preparation of the NEET PG 2022. The third thing is the strategy to do the past papers. All you need to know is you have to do first minimum last 5 years papers of NEET PG, which I have in the form of PDF with complete solution. So for that you can contact me by any of the mode, followed by you have to do the inset last year's paper, which is also available in the form of PDF with complete solution. So for that you can also contact me by any of the mode. And the third type of paper that you have to cover, that is the CMS papers. You have to go through the past papers in the series of, like, first you have to cover the NEET PG past papers, followed by the inset past papers, and followed by the CMS past papers. Now the fourth thing is you do not need to skip your sleep, as all you need a fresh mind to study and to prepare very well for the NEET PG 2022. Fifth thing is notes. If you have already your own notes, then definitely go through them very well, no matter what. And if you don't have any notes and a very less time to go through, so you can contact me by any of the mode to get the notes of any particular topic for the NEET PG 2022 preparation. Definitely you can have the PDF and you can go through it very well. The sixth thing is the grand test. Yes, you can join the test series, as it is available and will happen each and every day in the morning as well as in the evening. So for that also you can contact me by any of the mode. Either you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, or you can also follow me and DM me there on my Instagram with my Instagram ID shown on your screen. I will definitely put the link of my Instagram ID in the description of this video. Along with that, next step is practice MCQs as much as you can, and don't forget to practice the clinical based questions. So regarding that, a free MCQ with solution is available daily on my Instagram story. So come on and follow me on my Instagram and do practice the free clinical questions for the NEET PG 2022 examination. But not the least, eat, sleep and repeat. Yes, this is the mantra that you have to follow in the last 7 days of the NEET PG preparation. So all the very best for your preparation. If you have any kind of the query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, or you can also DM me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. In return, I just want a small effort to share my videos and subscribe to my channel if you are new on my channel. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe. All the very best for your preparation and exam. Thank you for watching.